Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited because isa pang legit po tayo today. For today's video, top 3 loan apps po na madaling applyan, hindi po kailangan ng payslip. And the best part of all is that registered po sila sa Securities and Exchange Commission. Hindi po sila 7 days. Kahit na first loan mo, hindi masyado makulit. Pero syempre, huwag kang palit, guys. So, kung gusto nyo malaman or naghahanap kayo ng short-term loan na applyan online lang at madaling ma-approve, then this video is for you. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Atared here. At kung kayo naghahanap ng mga legit reviews or videos about online lending platform, I'm your go-to person. Because dito, legit reviews lang po. Wala tayong pinopromote na loan. It's been a while since gumawa ako ng top ng mga loan apps. I don't wanna overdo it, guys. And because it's 2025, yung dalawang loan apps dito, guys, na ibabanggitin ko, hindi ko pa siya nabanggit sa mga top videos ko dati. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe na po kayo because ito po yung mga topics natin. Please do remember that this video is not sponsored. It's based on my personal experience. And sinama ko na rin yung links ng mga individual videos because this is just a list, guys. Again, top 3 loan apps na madaling applyan, hindi kailangan ng payslip. Okay rin yung terms, but of course, kailangan nyo pa rin itong maintindihin, guys. Let us start with loan app number 1. And that is si Happy Cash, guys. O, sabi ko sa inyo, hindi ko pa nabanggit dati eh. Itong si Happy Cash, under po siya sa kay Yinshan Lending. Pwede siyang pang iOS, pwede rin siyang pang Android. Nag-offer ng up to 25,000 pesos na credit limit. But of course, expect ka na magsisimula ka sa mababang amount. But don't worry, guys, kasi yung loan app na to, hindi po ito 7 days. 30 days. Meron siyang kaltas, pero 20 pesos lang, guys. So, hindi na ako magre-reklamo. Yung kanyang interest, including service fee, is a total of 15% per month lang. Kaya kung maganda yung record mo, you can get loan periods of up to 180 days or 6 months. So, pag nag-click ka ng borrow, hihingi po siya, of course, ng personal information, including yung mga purpose ng loan, education, number of credit cards, you know, the usual. Familiar na kayo dyan. Hihingi po siya ng 3 contact references lang. Tumatanggap ng mga IDs like PRC, SSS, UMID, Postal ID, tsaka passport. Ito po yung mga higher credit ng mga IDs. If you don't have any of those, pwede ka rin mag-submit ng driver's license, national ID, pag-ibig, TIN, voters ID, tsaka PhilHealth. Hihingi po siya ng other details like ID number. Mga 2 minutes lang malalaman mo if pwede kang makapag-proceed sa application mo. So, here's a few things na kailangan mong tandaan kapag kayo nag-apply dito kay Happy Cash. Because, say for example, hindi ka na-approve, sasabihin niyang try again after a certain period. Kung may bala ka, na balikan siya, huwag muna kayong tampo-tampo like delete account. Kasi pag nagpa-delete kayo, guys, sasabihin niyang user is deleted. You would have to apply with a new phone number. Very siya, forgiving. Charot. Dito, pag na-reject ka on your first time, may chance ka talaga na ma-approve ka after the expiration period. Unlike Mabilis Cash na pag, as far as I know, itong si Mabilis Cash, pag na-reject ka, game over na. At ang dami pang hinihingi. At least, itong si Happy Cash, guys, mahahappy ka dahil hindi na kailangan magsabit ng mga network details, hindi na kailangan magsabit ng mga SSS, mga MM na yan, ano pang ibang requirements na hinihingi ng mga loan apps like Mabilis Cash. So, very straightforward. Yun lang yung basic. Yung first loan ko dito was 3,000 peso. 1 month. O, di ba bongga kasi hindi 7 days. And then, yung babayaran after 1 month is 3,450. Every time na naglo-loan ka, kahit na second or third, pag-click mo ng submit, kailangan mag-agree ka sa kanyang service agreement and privacy policy. Nagsiselfie ka. Each and every time magka-take ka ng loan, mag-OTP para sure. And yung loan app na to, guys, pag-approve ka, in less than 5 minutes, tanggap mo kaagad. So, yun si Happy Cash. Give it a go. And of course, kung good payer ka, tataasin yung credit limit. Di ba masaya? And now, let's go to the second loan platform. Drum roll, please. That is FT Lending, guys. And don't worry, it is registered sa Securities and Exchange Commission under FT Master Philippines Incorporated. At yung loan app na to ay nasa Google Play, nasa App Store. At pwede kang humiram ng up to 30,000 pesos. But of course, kung first time mo, expect ka na baka i-approve ka niya sa 300 pesos. Pero tataas naman yan if meron kang good payment history sa loan app na to. Needless to say, okay naman yung terms ng loan app na to. Yung first kong try dito, hindi po ako na-approve. Yung kanyang credit limit na binigay sa akin was 300 pesos. And on my second try, guys, na-approve ako sa 800 pesos na 14 days to pay. Pero okay naman kasi after kong bayaran, well, mahal-mahal lang yung interest niya pero pasok pa rin naman sa cap. After ko siyang bayaran, nagkaroon ako ng increase. Pwede na siyang bayaran in 2 terms. So may more options na ako, guys. And hindi ko pa natapos bayaran yung 1,002 na yan. Nag-i-increase na po yung loan at pwede nang ulit mag-loan. Revolving siya at also pwedeng multiple loans, which I think straightforward yung application processes niya at yung IDs na tinatanggap ng loan app na to. Kasama dito yung PRC, yung passport, yung postal card, yung national ID, TIN, driver's license, voter ID, health card, and pag-ibig. Siyempre, pipicturean mo yung front and back ng ID mo and just make sure na tama po or magkatugmaan po yung details na nasa ID tapos yung ilalagay mo sa questionnaire para hindi iwas sa reject. Pero pagpapalapit na yung due date, meron pong tatawag. Pero once lang, at mabait naman ko usap yung agent. Pagkatapos nun, text lang. Let me say, hindi siya makulit. So, okay na rin si FT Lending. And the best thing is that wala pong bawas. Buo pong natatanggap yung perang ni-loan mo sa kanya. Okay na rin yung terms you guys, but because it is utang, dapat po siyang pinag-iisip. Yung alternative phone number, yung company name, tsaka yung phone, it's optional. Just need to give them information such as magkano yung monthly income mo, ano yung source of income mo, and address, basic details, stuff like that. And just be sure to give it permission. Fingers crossed. Mukhang okay naman yung information natin dito. But, syempre, proceed with caution kasi this is just my experience naman, guys. So, magpapaset po siya ng password. Sana, i-improve niya to kasi tinanggap po niya yung very, very, very simple password. So, sana lagyan niya ng konting challenge. Other than that, wala na akong reklamo. Oh, yung daliri pala ng model sa screenshots niya. Kung ayaw mo sa FT Lending, ayaw mo rin sa kay Happy Cash or reject ka sa dalawang yun at naghihintay ka ng time na makapag-apply ulit, you can try the third loan app na babanggitin ko. And that is OneHand. Itong si OneHand, ang laki pong improvement niya. I have a history with OneHand. You can check my old video. I'm being unbiased here. Even if reject ako kay OneHand, pero baka okay siya sa iyo. So, it's worth giving it a try. So, itong si OneHand, up to 50,000 pesos na po yung pwede niyang ipahiram. And kung talagang maganda yung credit history mo, pwede kang magkaroon ng 12 months na term. Di ba, bongga? Pero, kung bago ka sa loan app na to, expect na magsisimula ka sa 1.5, 1 month to pay. Pero, don't worry guys, the interest is reasonable. Kung lower yung term, nasa 14 something yung interest per month, the longer the term, bumababa po yung interest, which is something that you should consider. Hindi po siya makulit. Basta pag may tumawag, kausapin nyo lang. Nada-download po sa Google Play Store, nada-download din sa iOS. And kailangan mong isubmit sa kanya one valid ID lang. Optional lang po yung pag-provide ng payslip. Huwag kang ma-discourage pag na-reject ka kasi pwede kang mag-try again after 60 days, 30 days, or minsan na-reject pero nakakabalik naman. That's the beauty of this loan app. Zero processing fee, interest lang po yung kailangan mong bayaran. So, kung 1 month, nasa 14%, which is kind of high, to be honest. But then, pangalagaan po yung account para ma-achieve mo yung highest niyang pwedeng i-offer at longer payment terms. Basic lang po yung hinihingi niyang information. Of course, hindi kailangan mag-submit ng payslip. Yung kailangan mo lang is 3 contact references niya. And to be honest, baka mag-verify po siya sa mga references mo. Kaya, make sure na lang po na nagpaalam kayo na gawin silang references para wala namang ma-blindside. At magsi-selfie ka, also hihingi rin siya ng one valid ID. Yung magandang isubmit sa kanya is UMID, passport, SSS, or PRC. Pero kung wala kang ganon, pwede ka mag-submit ng driver's license, voter ID, postal, TIN, pag-ibig, PhilHealth, national ID. Picturean mo yan. In less than 2 minutes, malalaman mo na kung approve ka or reject. But sometimes it could take a little longer than that. But don't worry, okay naman si OneHand so far. So, hingi po siya ng disbursement account. Fortunately, nung ako'y active pa na user ng OneHand, nagkaroon siya ng issue. But then, na-resolve. Yun nga lang, hindi pa ako na-approve up to now. But despite that, okay na si OneHand ngayon. Nag-improve siya. So, maybe you wanna give it a go, but nasa inyo po yan. So, guys, may magtatanong bakit hindi ko na-mention si Belize. To be fair, ang dami po sa inyong nagre-reklamo na medyo mahirap makapasa kay Belize. But if you know how to follow instructions, magbasa-basa kasi wag lang yung next ng next, I'm sure meron kayong income source na malalagay na makakapagpapa-approve sa'yo. Depende po siya sa source of funds na ino-nominate mo at humihingi po siya ng billing address. Belize will always be there as a good alternative in case hindi kayo pwede sa tatlong loan apps na nabanggit ko kanina. So there you have it, guys. It's 2025. I hope you find this list helpful. If you want to see individual videos of this, of Happy Cash, FT Lending, or One Hand, I've made several. Naglagay po ako ng link sa baba. The links are not there to promote them, but to give you dedicated videos para sa mga loan apps na to. Before I let you go, guys, I just wanna remind you na yung utang is a responsibility. It has consequences kung hindi makabayad or malate. And of course, meron pong rewards if you are a good payer or kung inaalagaan yung credit history. So, if merong mga bagong mga loan apps, stay tuned for updates. And for now, ito lang po. Of course, marami pong legit, but so far, itong tatlo, ito po yung mga pinakamadaling loan apps na applyan and available po both sa iOS and sa Google Play Store. And that is why hindi ko nakasama si Mabilis Cash at si Tala sa list na to dahil yung dalawang loan apps na yan is Android lang at the moment. That is all for today's video. I will see you on my next vlog.